So I just got a key, guys. I've been basically watching since April 3rd. Today is April 11th, 1 o'clock Saturday. They gave me the key about 3 hours ago. But basically, you don't need to be watching the stream. You don't need to be watching streams the whole time for you to get the key. You just need to watch 2 hours worth. And I need to change the controls here. You only need to watch 2 hours worth, and then you get put into like this pool where they'll distribute keys. You don't need to donate to people. I haven't donated to anyone on Twitch. You don't need to subscribe. You don't need to do any of that stuff. I'm actually subscribed to drdisrespect. But yeah, you'll get the key. I guess it's just random. So yeah, I've been watching. I probably have over like 80 hours of stream time watched, but you don't need to be watching it. I don't think I left my computer on overnight, but I don't think I was watching Summit at the time when I got my key. He wasn't streaming at 10 o'clock, but I got the key at 10 o'clock. So you don't need to be actively watching a stream after a certain amount of hours. I think there's a diminishing return on the hours as well. But yeah, so I just got the key. I'm going through the tutorial right now, and yeah, I'm just gonna play through it. I don't like how control is the crouch, so I'm gonna change that. Then crouch C. Change that. And I'm gonna toggle crouch because I don't like I don't like having to hold it.
Shoot that flying target for me. Accuracy is everything, so remember to stop before you.
It really is everything. If you don't get headshots, you like it takes forever to kill somebody, and they'll kill you real quick. My aim is so bad.
Position yourself so you only fight one at a time. You can aim down sight for a closer look.
Sorry about that. Yeah, so when you do damage to body, it does less damage than head, and if you do damage to legs, it does less damage than it does to the body and the head.
But it will hear you. Walk
If
slowly, so
you press shift, you walk. Like if you regularly walk, it makes noise. But if you hold shift, you walk and you don't make noise.
Nice job. Let's try out some different guns on these targets. Normally you'd have to think about which guns and abilities.
If you press B, you open up the
But for now, go wild.
buy screen. Usually when you start a match, you'll buy like a shield, a certain type of weapon, and then I usually end up buying all my skills. But everything has a cost, so I'm gonna go with the Odin. I freaking love this gun. Just go in Rambo with this gun. I actually love the shotgun too, but that's because my aim is so bad.
Take this time to check your settings. Adjust your aim sensitivity. Review your keybinds. I want everything to custom fit.
Yeah, I gotta fix my. God, where is it? The aim sensitivity. That's fine. I'm gonna pick a different gun. Gotta learn how to arm aim. I usually aim by moving my wrist, but it's better to move your whole arm, so that way when you need to like actually move your wrist, you have like smaller like range of motion with your wrist.
Out of charges.
If you pull out your weapon, you move a little faster. Your knife. To the hall.
Let's test your accuracy. These bots pop with one headshot.
This is
Body
like this.
shots do less damage and leg shots even less. They'll despawn quickly, so see how many you can get before the timer runs out.
Damn, Sonny.
Alright.
I think that's really bad, honestly.
It'll lead you to the teleporter. Go through it so we can practice using your abilities. They make a huge difference in setting up a favorable fight.
Here's a teleporter. Let's do it.
Out of charges.
So yeah, I guess C, Q, and E are your
Different.
abilities.
See what your bow does by shooting that wall.
This guy's really basic. His E, I'm sure you've seen it on stream. So basically, you can change the number of bounces by right-clicking, and you can basically when you shoot, it reveals the area of people. So if I let it, they want me to shoot it here, so I'm just gonna shoot it there.
And there they are. Use your intel to take them out one by one. Up ahead is a device called the spike. It's how the enemy steals our radionite. Attackers try to plant it at key sites.
This is the
Defenders try to
bomb.
stop them. Practice taking the spike to the highlighted site and planting it.
Out of charges.
Force to whip it out. What?
Let the attackers plant the spike. Defenders will try to defuse it. I'll send in some bots. You take cover in the boathouse behind you and defend that
Revealing
spike.
area.
When they start disarming, you can hear it.
Remember to use your abilities to give you the advantage. Shoot your sonar bolt at the targets on the wall.
Revealing area.
All those kills.
And also your ults, you can see it. You can shoot through walls with the ult.
Excellent. You're good to go. You can always head back to the range to practice different guns and abilities. When you're ready, the front lines are waiting. Welcome to Valorant.
Hey. So yeah, that's it, guys. Just keep watching the streams. You don't need to donate. You need to do anything. I don't know if the number of hours matters, but yeah, I mean, I probably put in like 80 hours. Some people got it within the first 2 hours. But yeah, that was the tutorial too. So I hope you guys get it, and good luck.